I'll kill you. I'm good. I hate summer camp songs so much.
You can't really see shit with this. Somebody say something.
Something?
There you go. Lucas.
Huh.
Hey Cody.
Yo.
I decided fuck it. I'm gonna get that pallet.
Okay.
Luke, I need my shoes.
Okay. It's smelly old guy. So
That was
fuck
our
it.
drummer, Tyler. He's peeing over there. That's what he does.
What?
Alright, here it comes now.
Let me tell you what. Come right over here, Barry. What I did here was I threw some cardboard on top of some wood on top of some dry pine needles, and I lit that some bitch right on fire using a little bit of alcohol that we had. Now that fire's gonna burn pretty damn good here for about forever. And yeah, at that point we'll probably be gone, not just from here but from the earth. You know, that's philosophy for you. Anyway.
Yeah, this is the crooked step on the road out here in gorgeous Arabia, something.
See over here, we got.
I don't know.
My name's Lawrence.
First ticket we could get. I don't know.
This is the first acoustic
No, his name's
song.
Lawrence of Arabia.
Outer or inner labia?
Who cares?
There's a significant difference. Outer labia is kind of meh. Inner labia is warm and delicious.
So granted, we are here without our, sadly, our rhythm guitarist, Nikki. No?
Or a vocalist.
We'll see you tomorrow. But, so here's our little interesting white boy setup out here, northern Idaho. Oh, pardon me, Arabia. All right. And of course, a little shout out to a friend of ours out there in YouTube land. We brought our session. So we'll be recording many different events throughout the evening, and we'll keep you posted. Until then, I guess. Go home!